In the Midlands, where customers of Tri-County Electric Cooperative voted the whole board out, lawmakers have vowed to make sure customers at other cooperatives in the state know exactly how their money's being spent.
Our Georgia Godfrey takes a look at a new law that requires co-ops to do more online reporting.
Thousands of cooperative customers in the Midlands were in for quite the surprise when documents obtained by a newspaper revealed members of the Tri-County Electric Cooperative Board were not upholding the core principles of a cooperative.
And over the course of the last year, we just learned a lot of things that were going on that a lot of people didn't know, quite frankly, with board members taking advantage of their positions.
With more than 700,000 cooperative customers in the state, lawmakers wanted to make sure that other cooperatives were working for their customers and customers know what the board is doing.
The cooperatives are democratically organized organizations, democratically member-controlled organizations, that folks have a right to show up at a ballot box and vote, and for their vote to count, that they've got the ability to run for their board if they choose to.
The recent law signed by Governor Henry McMaster requires electric cooperatives to be more transparent with customers.
It does bring transparency to the process of nominations, elections, reporting of financial information, what kind of benefits a co-op board member receives.
The law also requires the electric cooperatives to designate a time period for customers to vote early for members of the board.
Now, if you think about having meetings on Saturday mornings in a community like the one Lawrence Electric Co-op serves, you've got a lot of folks who are doing other things on a Saturday morning, and they're not able to show up at their co-op without being afflicted.
The voting period would be during the week before the co-op's annual meeting from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. The co-ops would also have to put information online for customers to access. In Columbia, Georgia Godfrey, 7 News.
More than 18,000 people in Spartanburg and 34,000 in Greenville are cooperative.